This is the Guinness World Record attempt for the smallest QR code. We are at the USTEM facility in Vienna. We will now be prepping the samples to be put on the holders, which get placed into the machine. Each sample consists of a thin glass carrier sheet with a chromium nitride coating on top of it. We'll be preparing several samples for redundancy purposes. Now that the samples have been mounted onto the stage, we'll proceed to put them into the vacuum chamber. The machine is a focused ion beam milling machine from the company Thermo Fisher, model Sios 2. This will be used for all of the ion milling processes. The samples had to be prepared beforehand because a proper vacuum has to be assured in order to achieve the highest quality images. So prior to evacuating the chamber, we will be using a plasma cleaning process to remove any surface impurities, dust particles, and any other residual dirt that could be on the surface of our coating. Now that the vacuum chamber is pumping down, it will take at least 1 hour till a sufficient vacuum is reached. Afterwards, the witnesses for the cutting and ablation tests will arrive to validate that all procedures during the creation of the QR code go in accordance to the guidelines of the Guinness World Record organization. Currently the stage is without tilt at 0 degrees to prepare the focus with the electron microscope. Afterwards it will be tilted to 52 degrees, so it's perpendicular to the ion beam. In the first step we will mill a small cross shape approximately in the size of our QR code, so we have a solid structure we can focus on the surface. On the left hand side we can now see the focusing with the electron microscope. Here the cross shape is a bit tilted because we had to tilt the stage 52 degrees to align with the ion beam. On the right hand side we can now see the focused image by a lower current ion beam imaging. We now move next to the cross a short distance so we still remain in focus to prepare the milling of the QR code. This is done by using a bitmap image of the negative pattern of our desired QR code, which will be milled by the ion beam. The whole milling process takes less than 2 minutes. Now we see on the left side image the still tilted picture of the QR code. We'll again focus onto the top of the surface and return to the 0 degrees tilt to be able to do a high resolution image of the QR code. I would like to ask our witnesses and present company to confirm the validity of the QR code. If successful, this QR code will lead to the homepage of our Institute's working group. Witness 1 was successful. And also witness 2.
Good. M25. Right. Great.
Independent facility from us who will validate the size of the QR codes